Once upon a time, there was a girl who lived in a village at the edge of a dark and dangerous wood. Every day she had to walk through the wood to gather herbs for her grandmother, who was very sick. And every day, the girl was terrified of what might happen to her in the dark and dangerous wood. One day, as the girl walked through the wood, she heard a beautiful song, and the song seemed to be coming from all around her. The girl stopped to listen. The song was so beautiful that the girl started to follow the sound. And after a while, following the sound of the song, she came to a clearing, and in the middle of the clearing stood a large oak tree. And when the girl looked up in the oak tree, she saw a beehive, and that's where the song was coming from. And just then, a bee flew down from the hive and landed on the girl's shoulder. And the bee said to the girl, "Do not be afraid. I am a magic bee, and this is a magic hive. We are very pleased that you have come. We would like you to come inside the hive and take our honey." So the girl climbed up the oak tree and reached inside the beehive and took the honey and put it into her bag. Then one of the bees said, "We are very grateful to you for taking our honey, but we would also like you to take this with you." And the bee handed the girl a small box, and inside the box was a ring. And the bee said, "This ring will protect you from all harm. Put it on." So the girl put on the ring, and then she continued on her way. That night, as the girl walked through the dark and dangerous wood, she wasn't afraid at all because she had the ring that the bees had given her. She thought to herself, "I'm very glad that I followed the song of the bees." From that day on, every time the girl had to go into the wood, she wasn't afraid, because she knew that if anything happened to her, the bees would protect her. And so the girl continued to take honey from the bees, and she became friends with them, and they were very happy together. And that is the story of the girl who followed the song of the bees. Now, if you want to hear another story, then click on the video on my channel and I will tell you another story.